Hello, friends. Hope you all are doing well. Seeing you after a really long time. I've clocked 32,336 kilometers. That's my Odo reading. I've been driving maximum in eco mode. If it is in noon, then I have to switch to my normal mode. Otherwise, I stay in eco mode. Just to quick review for a long-term review, I'll definitely tell you my service cost, my real world mileage in a full charge, and what are the problems I'm facing with this car, the major issues which I'm facing with this cars. I've been driving ICE engine car as well. I have a Honda City as well, right? So I'll just compare with that and with other cars. First thing, the performance is excellent. The real world range is always between 325 to 350 kilometers. If you're driving around 80 kilometers, 60 to 80, then you can cross even 350 kilometers. You can get 10 kilometers more mileage. You can go to 360, 365. But for that, you need to be very constant at 60 or 80. That is not, it's almost next to impossible. I'm always driving between 90 to 100, 90 to 100, right? So it's giving me good range. Performance is amazing. I am not facing any major serious issues with this car. The time taken by this car to get a fully charged at my home for 7.3 kilowatt charger is around 6 to 7 hours, and the performance is flawless. Secondly, I'll tell you about my cost of ownership, or you can say my service cost and all. It is always between 2,000 to 3,000, and there are no major things. They are just changing my air filter, regular routine checkup. If I have some small issues, then they'll just fix it. You can see I am getting a sign of airbag, right? Airbag fault. So such things do happen frequently. It's a very regular thing. It happens with all the smart cars, some or the other. So yes, they fix it too. So we are not having much issue with that, right? I have been driving Honda City as well. It's also an amazing car. We love to drive. The handling is amazing. Even this has a very small compact steering, very thin and very easy to handle, and we just love. And this car is too good. I'll definitely say go for this car. It feels luxurious. It has its good suspension setup. It has a good driving dynamics. Everything is good. It's a very sturdy car. It's a very good car. So it's a good thumbs up for this car. See you soon, and keep showing your love. I'm not the guy who's going to always tell you to like and subscribe. I don't believe in that. If you genuinely like, you can just watch my videos any time. I'm just here to give my mates and friends information regarding such cars, whereby they can explore and they can learn. Thanks. Have a great day.